In this video we have an important topic to discuss that every entrepreneur and business owner should know about: how to find a good business lawyer. If you're starting a business or already running one, having a competent and trustworthy business lawyer by your side can make all the difference. So, let's jump right into it. Segment 1: Why you need a business lawyer. Before we delve into the tips for finding a good business lawyer, let's quickly go over why having one is essential. A business lawyer is an invaluable asset for any company, as they can help you navigate through the complex legal landscape, protect your business from potential risks, handle contracts, intellectual property matters, employment issues, and much more. A business lawyer can also assist in dispute resolution and help you make informed decisions that align with the best interests of your company. Whether you're a startup or an established business, having a skilled attorney can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress down the road. Segment 2: Determining your legal needs. The first step in finding the right business lawyer is to assess your specific legal needs. Are you a startup looking for someone to draft your articles of incorporation? Or do you need assistance with negotiating contracts and partnerships? Knowing your requirements will help you find a lawyer who specializes in the areas most relevant to your business. Segment 3: Seek referrals. Now that you know what kind of lawyer you need, the next step is to seek referrals. Start by asking your fellow entrepreneurs, friends, or colleagues who have experience working with business lawyers. Their first-hand recommendations can be incredibly valuable in finding a trustworthy lawyer who is competent and reliable. Additionally, consider reaching out to your local chamber of commerce, industry associations, or even your accountant for suggestions. These professionals often have networks of trusted attorneys they can refer you to. Segment 4: Research potential lawyers. Once you have a list of potential lawyers, it's time to research them. Check out their websites, online reviews, and testimonials. Look for any relevant experience they might have in your industry or with businesses of similar size and structure. Make sure to verify their credentials, licensing, and if they are in good standing with the Bar Association. You want a lawyer with a clean track record and a history of success. Segment 5: Schedule consultations. After narrowing down your list, it's crucial to schedule consultations with each lawyer you are considering. Many attorneys offer a free initial consultation. This is your chance to discuss your legal needs, learn about their approach, and gauge their understanding of your business. Pay attention to how they communicate with you during the meeting. A good business lawyer should be attentive, responsive, and able to explain legal concepts in a way that you can understand. Segment 6: Ask the right questions. During the consultation, be prepared to ask specific questions that will help you evaluate the lawyer's suitability for your business. Some essential questions include: 1. What experience do you have in handling cases similar to mine? 2. How do you charge for your services? Is it an hourly rate or a flat fee? 3. Can you provide references from other clients you've worked with? 4. How accessible will you be when I need your assistance? Segment 7: Fees and fee structure. Speaking of fees, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the lawyer's fee structure. Some lawyers may work on an hourly basis, while others might charge a flat fee for specific services. Make sure you know how you will be billed, what expenses are involved, and get the fee arrangement in writing. Segment 8: Trust your instincts. Trust your instincts. Finding a good business lawyer is not just about credentials. It's also about having a strong working relationship. You need to feel comfortable and confident in your lawyer's abilities. If something doesn't feel right during the consultation or if you have any doubts, it's okay to continue your search. Conclusion. Alright, that wraps up our guide on how to find a good business lawyer. Remember, this is a crucial decision for the success and protection of your business, so take the time to do your research. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.